You will be walking the plank, roared the captain, stomping off. Oh dear, not the plank. It's not fair, grumbled Pete. I wish I was captain. Then I wouldn't get into trouble so much. He picked up the captain's hat and plonked it on his head. Oh, look. He's got the captain's hat on. Do you think he's going to get into trouble? As soon as Pete put on the hat, a black ship sailed alongside the Jolly Crossbone. Ooh. A band of nasty pirates was preparing to jump on board. Give us your gold, they cried, waving their cutlasses in the air. Cutlass is another word for sword. Suddenly, one of the pirates froze with fear. Look, he whispered. That captain looks a lot like Hideous Harry, the world's scariest pirate. He pulled out a poster which looked just like Pete and his parrot. Can you see the poster? Oh, it's just here. Do you think this looks like Pete? Let's see what happens now then. Oh, I heard that Hideous Harry caught a giant squid by tying up its tentacles, said one pirate. Pete's parrot swooped through the air and shrieked loudly, He did it! Oh! I heard he was champion sword fighter and won a tournament with an arm tied behind his back, cried a peg-legged pirate. I heard he stole the sea witch's magic wand, added another, and turned his enemies into jellyfish. Woo! He did it! He did it! He did it! The pirates began to tremble. Just then, Pete had a brilliant idea. He picked up the mop and pointed it at the nasty pirates. Begone, you bunch of bandits, he bellowed, waving the mop at them, or I'll turn you into sea slugs. It's the sea witch's wand, they whimpered. He really is Hideous Harry. Oh. Help! Screamed the nasty pirate. Run away! Pushing and shoving each other, they scrambled back to their own ship. The black ship speedily set sail, leaving a trail of white foam frothing along behind it. Pete took off the captain's hat and put it back on the ship's wheel. With a flap of his purple wings, the parrot landed on Pete's shoulder. Maybe you aren't that bad after all, smiled Pete. Captain Barnacle climbed out of his cabin just in time to see the ship disappear over the horizon. Well done, me hearty, he said to Pete. You deserve a reward for being so brave. He gave Pete a bulging bag of gold and the purple parrot an even bigger bag of birdseed. saved the Jolly Crossbone from a band of fearsome pirates?" asked Captain Barnacle. "He did it." Oh. Oh no, look, the purple bird's eating out the biscuit barrel again. Oh, he's going to get Pete back in trouble. I hope you enjoyed that book, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.